Family, peace and blessings, family. Today we have a 2006 Toyota Highlander with 174,433 miles. This is, I believe this is a base model. That does have the third row. I have it down currently. It drives well, man. It drives very well. I've had it for a little while. Just needed time to get the maintenance done. The seats are cloth. The driver's seat that I'm sitting in, of course, it has some rips and tears in it. So they're probably gonna need some seat covers. What else? Stop saying No sunroof on this junk. Does have a tire light sensor on. That's for the sensor, not the tires. So the tires are in pretty good shape. Power windows. It's not perfect, but it's good A to B transportation. And it's a Toyota, so you know it's gonna run. It's gonna last. It's only got 174,000 miles on it. Let's see if the radio works. Radio works. Let's see. Come on, radio. Don't show out on me. All right, it's an 06 radio, so it's showing out on me, but y'all can hear the static. Let me see. We must do a seek. Shit. There you go. And I don't own the rights to none of that music, so I'm gonna cut it off. Fan blows. Yeah, right now I got it on face and feet. The AC does work, so once I get back to where my thermometer is, because the other one I had is broken, so once I get to that one, I'll put it on there so y'all can make sure the AC and the heat works. But for now, you just gotta trust me. It's got the little tweeter speakers in the door, power windows that work. Left, oh, that's correct. That's that one. You know what, on this one, now that I think about it, one of these windows, and I believe it's this one, the rear driver's door window needs a regulator. Yep, it's that one. It's that one. So I know the passenger side works. I'm not gonna even do this one because I knew one of them didn't work. Now that I remember that. But I'm on my way to get the emissions. Once we get the emissions done, I'm gonna show you that the emissions is clear because I don't have my scanner. Don't know how I misplaced it, but I don't have my scanner on me to even show you the codes or lack thereof codes. So we're gonna go get the emissions done, and then I can show you off the sheet, and it'll show you that everything's complete. And so if we did have any pending codes, it wouldn't pass emissions. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I haven't made it to emissions yet, but I forgot I gotta, do a little bit of driving so you guys can see how well it shifts. There's no irking and jerking, none of that. So we're coming up to a light. Gonna stop. I'm gonna make it right. As you see, turn signal, so there's no bulb out because it's not blinking rapidly. We're braking. No thumps, no rattles. I'll even turn the AC on. Making it right. Mercedes get a little distance. Okay. So driving just normal driving. I'm not gonna drive aggressive. Just so you can see that it shifts normally, and then I'll get on it briefly. See where my RPMs are. They're in good shape. Coolant temp is right where it needs to be, in the middle. So we're at operating temperature. Trying to get this car in front of me a little distance, and now they want to brake. Try to get them a little distance, and then go ahead and give it some gas, but that's not going to happen. They're stopping up here in front of us. So for whatever reason, the car all the way in the front is having issues. So gonna go ahead and get the emissions done. Come back for the emissions. Gonna take it down the street where I can get it up to speed. And then we're gonna do the walk around. We'll be done. All right, so we are back. And as you can see, it has passed. This is a Toyota. Toyota Highlander. This is my VIN number, blah, blah, blah. It is a 2006. Here's the mileage. Whoa, camera fail. Here's the mileage. All right. 2.4. Pass. Today's date. Now let's ride it a little bit. I couldn't really get you guys some of the recording that I wanted to get you, because as I was pulling into the emissions place, I got pulled over by the wonderful Conyers Police Department for a he said he couldn't see my plate because I took the screws out and put them in another vehicle I had already sold, and I hadn't replaced them. So that's just that. But anyway, here we go. We're taking off. Look at this clown. Look at him. Look at him. Look at. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing, my man? What are you doing? This fool just pulled out in front of me. He didn't stop coming out the complex or nothing. He just pulled straight out. So as you can see, we are up to pretty much highway speeds, and this thing is doing exactly what it needs to do. I'm gonna get over here, take some pictures, do a walk around, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, so we are back. We back. This is 2006. You see them daytime running lights going. 2006 Toyota Highlander. Here's a good look at the tires. They are in okay shape, but you know, it's used. Got a few little scratches and a little faded on the paint. Here's that driver's seat that I spoke on earlier. As you see, right there. Windows, here's a little damage right here. Windows do work. All the windows work except this one. It will let down, but it will not let up. This is the rear driver's window. Okay, let's take a look at the inside. See what that AC hitting on. That AC is down to 38 degrees. Still holding good at the temps. Fan works on high. On low, I'm gonna turn the heat on. We're gonna see how warm it gets. No sunroof in this thing, so you ain't gotta worry about me bragging about that part. But yeah, let's get back to the inside. Okay, so down here we have your auxiliary for your 12-volt, cup holders. What's this? This is the, oh wow. Yeah. Like ashtray right there, cigarette lighter. I know. Little armrest pouch. I got my phones in there. Let's go to the rear. We got dual cup holders in each door. Got the pouch right here. What's this right there? Another cigarette thing. Another access door right here in the armrest. We got two more cup holders. There's a lot of cup holders in this thing. That lets up. Rear seats do fold. 60-40 split, as you can see. This is the sunshade. I know y'all gonna say, well, what is that? I'm with you. That's the sunshade. I'm gonna show you. It does have a third row. I just currently have it folded down because with the third row up, you have to remove said sunshade. So I'm gonna remove the sunshade like such. I'm just gonna pull this right here, and bing bong, there you go. Here's your third row. We're retracting headrest. So you got your third row. The third row also has its own controls for the fan. Get around to the other side. This is the passenger side. Door handle right there. That cap is missing. Here's the 40 part of the split. So you can literally lay these seats flat and use all of this for cargo by simply doing such. Now you got it all the way through. Go over here to the passenger side. Passenger side, window works. You got heat, you got AC. Seats do need some seat covers or they need reconditioning. It's totally up to you. Let's get under the hood. Doing this with one hand now, so y'all gotta give me some grace. Under the hood, here we go. Sounds good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our 2006 Toyota Highlander. Gonna do another quick walk around where I go pick up this sunshade that fell. See? Throw that in the back like that. close that down like so. Got your cup holders for your little kiddos. Close the door. Let's check that heat before we leave. You see what that heat is at? It's at like 130. 130. So you got AC, which I'm gonna turn back on because it's hot, and you got heat. My name is Chris, McMath Autos, 404-719-8355. McMath Autos on all major social media platforms. Peace.